how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. To turn off Vanish mode on Instagram, follow these steps. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the inbox icon at the top right side of your screen. Go to the chat, navigate to the conversation where Vanish mode is currently enabled. In the chat, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and release. This action should turn off Vanish mode. You will see a message indicating that Vanish mode has been turned off. You can do this by second method also. Tap on the username on the top, and then tap on Privacy and Safety from here. You can see Vanish mode there. If it is turned on, toggle it off. That's it. You can easily do this by following these steps. If you have any issues, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, as some features may vary slightly with different updates. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.